Mayank Gandhi of the Aam Aadmi Party is debating tonight with Shaina NC of the BJP, and the BJP runs along with the Shiv Sena, the municipal corporation, the BMC, the richest civic body in India and arguably in the world. 27,000 crore budget, Shaina NC. Out of that, 2,500 crores is for health. The surplus in health is 110 crore, which means there is so much money that the municipal authorities don't know what to do with it. And there is a machine which costs 80 lakhs, which can potentially save, as of today, at least the lives of 1,000 children in Mumbai. For 4 years, this tender has been going on. For 4 years, the BMC, which your party and along with the Shiv Sena run, does not care. Why? Because children are not vote banks.
I think that's a terribly unfair statement to make to start with. I think service to humanity has to be paramount, and there's no question or disputing that we need to make sure that this waiting list reduces from 700. Now, the biggest question is, why is there this load on KEM Hospital? Everyone knows that for the cases which are so complicated such as this, one needs to make sure you have the best medical facility. KEM Hospital has been doing a phenomenal job.
1 second.
But having said that,
it's not about KEM Hospital. It's about, I want to simplify this for you. There is 4 years back in 2009, a tender is put out for a heart-lung machine. 2 years later, the process of, it takes 2 years. 2 years, the process of bidding and screening is completed. End of 2011, the tender is cancelled, new tender issued, right? End of 2011, again another new tender is put, which is also cancelled because there is only one bidder. 2012, and I'm telling you the bureaucracy, and every year hundreds of children are dying.
Isn't this a question
2012, the same process of issuing the tender, getting one vendor and scrapping the bid happened twice. Now, we are in March 2013, we are told now a new tender will be put. In the meanwhile, last 4 years, hundreds of children have died. Right?
Now
hundreds of children have died. Why? Because 80 lakh rupees could not be spent on time. Ridiculous.
Isn't this a question that you need to ask the administration and the bureaucracy as well? When
Who controls the BMC?
One moment. Is the administration and the bureaucracy independent of who controls
Who
the
controls the
bureaucracy
BMC?
or no?
Who controls the
Clearly,
BMC?
there's no shying away from it to say that the BJP Sena is committed to
that's the
saving the
point.
lives of children.
But
you need to understand the entire... Please let me, if you give me a chance, I just have my say, and then you can cross-question, try and implicate and say whatever you have.
No, I'm not trying to implicate, you are already implicated.
There is a budgetary allocation of 2,500 crores every year. 70% of this, unfortunately, is spent on just salaries.
I'm not even asking about that. That's pathetic, but I'm not asking about
It's a pathetic situation.
No, I'm not asking about
Why shouldn't the state government help? And help particularly KEM Hospital, Sion. Why not? There needs
please
to be a budget.
One
second, let me just
when will any politician in India take responsibility?
Nobody is not taking. I'm trying to say the services given at KEM are phenomenal, Arnab. I think we need to also understand that.
I am asking you today, hundreds of children are dying. KEM is a civic hospital, am I right?
Yes, absolutely.
And the BMC looks into the sanctions and transactions of equipment that they procure, am I right?
Yes.
And the BMC is controlled by the Shiv Sena BJP alliance, am I right?
If you're trying to arrive at a petty political point,
I am not.
Then so be it.
I say nothing petty on my program.
I want to say that every citizen here is concerned about the lives of the children.
So
700.
Why was the 80 lakh machine not bought?
There is a tender process which takes
4 years.
place. Clearly, everyone is
4
questioning.
years.
I too am questioning the bureaucracy and the red tape.
1,000 children die.
Arnab, I'm on your side here. I am saying the same.
No, you're not on my side because your party is in government. Power in BMC.
If you choose for me to be on the opposite side, let me please say what is right and wrong is wrong.
So you're wrong.
The question is that why haven't we got our systems in place? Today, you have people from Uttar Pradesh, from Bihar, from every part of the country coming to KEM Hospital for this specialized service.
This is not about KEM. There is no machines in that hospital.
But that's exactly what I'm saying. There is one machine and there is a waiting list.
Why are the machines not bought? Because the poorest children, because the children who have died, Shaina NC, are the children of the poorest of the poor. They are not influential people. If any influential person's child dies wanting a heart surgery, I can tell you heavens and earth will be moved to get that 80 lakh
exactly
machine.
What you are
but
saying.
You see, no politician's child goes through what these children are going. They've died. You've seen the pictures in the Mumbai
understand
Mirror.
the work that
Arnab,
Mr.
the
Devi
issue here
Shetty
is-
is.
Yeah, okay.
The
please.
issue here is about governance. There is terrible governance in the BMC, and you all of us know that BMC is probably the most corrupt organization. You look at a corporator, the minute he wins, he will buy 2 SUVs. The amount of money in corruption, because all your governors, all the people who are ruling the BMC are more interested in making money rather than looking at these kind of aspects. I mean, this is shocking that it takes so many years, and you say 70% of the money goes for
want to
administration.
say-
Let
Is this
her
the
respond.
administration?
I am not surprised.
Is this the administration after spending 70% of the money?
That it's
if
an
you
irony,
cannot
it's
get a
question.
machine, then what
It's
are
a
you
question
doing?
in everyone's mind.
It is a poor governance, and that governance is definitely because of the amount of corruption that happens in BMC.
You say it's on everyone's mind. If it
1
was on
minute,
everyone's
can
mind,
I just say
if
something?
it was on everyone's mind,
I'd like
tell
to
me.
salute people like Dr. Devi Shetty.
No, it's not
who are
about
doing
Devi
an
Shetty.
incredible job. This
No,
is
what
a
is the
model that
government?
we need
No,
to implicate here.
we
The
are
point
tax.
is
Where
this-
is the tax money going? You see, Devi Shetty is doing what is commendable work. I am placing it on
Absolutely
record today
commendable, and
that
we
what
need
Devi
to learn
Shetty has
from that.
offered is outrageously. I do not have words to describe the work that he has done. That's not the point.
No, head should roll for the death.
I am asking you, Devi Shetty is not running his hospital on taxpayers' money, and still he is doing it. Taxpayer money is
I'll tell
there.
you what.
The money is there. Why is it not spent to save the children?
Arnab, I say that
The
head
money-
should roll for the death of the children.
You say there should be a criminal investigation.
Absolutely, there should be. This is ridiculous.
Do you back that, China?
Absolutely, there's
Criminal
no question.
investigation.
Of course, there should be, but we need to understand that.
And
in
is it
a
bad governance or
hospital-
what?
If I can just have one
Yeah.
sensible point to make, rather than getting into this who's governing and who's not.
you are governing.
The
You are
point
governing.
is even if we understand the Herculean task in the municipal corporation, where you have an influx of people from every part of the country coming for these kind of services to the city of Mumbai, clearly there is a backlog. Clearly there is a waiting period.
Why is
and
there a
nobody
backlog?
is saying.
No,
No. One second. China, there is a backlog, and the backlog is because there is no machine.
Absolutely.
Why is there no machine? Not because there is no money.
There need to be many
Because-
such machines.
no,
You
bad
have 2 in
governance.
Sion Hospital, you have 2 in Nayar Hospital,
no, we are
and
talking of
unfortunately you
KEM.
have one at KEM. When I talk about KEM, you choose to
it's
talk
not
about other
about
hospitals.
I am asking
This
you
is not
today.
about.
I'm
We
asking
have
you today.
other
This
options.
country always hears that we don't have money, we can't do things. Now you have 110 crores extra money, you have 2,500 crore budget, you have a 27,000 crore
Can I say
municipal
something?
council, and you have a list of 700 children whose lives can be saved tonight. As of tonight, if these machines are procured and a tender process of 4 years, I'm sorry, Shaina,
Absolutely,
I am,
but I am saying exactly what you are saying.
No, but why is it
This
not
would
being done? You are
be
not on my side
the
because your party is running the
argument-
government.
One moment.